Here at Michael Anthony, we are here to ensure that your property is presented online in the best possible way to maximize its online viewing potential. We would like to share some simple tips that will make your home ready for our photographer. Potential buyers visualize their own lifestyle when viewing your home and use their imagination of how the house will work for them. Removing clutter from rooms, cleaning products from kitchens and bathrooms, towels from radiators, and putting toilet seats down are effective ways to achieve this. Turning all the lights on will also make your property look its absolute best. Hiding rubbish bins, removing pet waste and clutter from the garden, and moving vehicles allows Michael Anthony to get the best exterior shots of the house. Did you know blue sky photos get more online interest? You can't change the weather, but Michael Anthony can. We add blue skies to all our property photos to maximize selling potential.